I show you how to clean your Apple keyboard safe and easy without destroying it. It works on the white as well as on the black one. On the black you don't see the dirt so much, but so this one is at least 10 years old, and I use those lens wipe from Zeiss. It's a high-tech ammonia-free formula. Is it secret? I don't think so. I guess it is probably just isopropyl alcohol. And let me turn the music on and then show you how I clean this. It comes in those pouches, and just watch how great this works. There is no fluid in there too much, so it's perfect.